Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix the iMessage to be enabled to send the message. If you are using any iPhone and you are having the issue that you cannot send your iMessage or a message to anyone using your iMessage, you get the pop-up that your iMessage should be enabled. So let's see how can you enable your iMessage. So you have to simply go ahead to your settings and here go for apps, and then you have to look for messages here. Once you get the messages, you have to select that, and here you will get the toggle. Here's the toggle of iMessage. So you have to enable this toggle. Once you have enabled, you have to wait for 4 or 5 seconds here, and you will get the option of send and receive here. So you just have to wait for that. And once you get the option of send and receive, you have to select that, and here you have to enter your phone number, your Gmail, or your Apple ID, or you can add multiple here. And once so it will almost fix your issue because up to 90% people's having this issue that the iMessage service is not enabled. So you might get this issue, or if you are still having the same issue after enabling this setting, so you have to go to your general, then go for software update, and here you have to try to update your software. So update your software, you have to make sure that you are connected to internet, and you have to also make sure that your internet is strongest. So here you just have to wait for it. If you find any software update here, you have to try to update your software, then you have to go back and go for your Apple ID. And here if you're still having the same issue, so you just have to refresh your Apple ID with sign in. First you have to sign out, and then you have to sign in again. Or if you are still having the same issue after doing that also, you just have to go back, open your browser. Here you have to simply search for support.apple.com, and then select your iPhone or iPad, and here you have to look for the option of get support, and then select the star now, and then near the get support option select that, and here you just have to go for more option, and then go for messages. From here look for iMessage, which you get here as a messages. You have to select that, then select continue here, and here you just have to select get more help, then select call us, and here you will get the number of Apple's 14. Now whenever you want to talk, you just have to dial this number, and you have to discuss about your issue with the Apple's 14 member. So in this way you will get official help. So that's how you can easily fix if your iMessage needs to be enabled to send this message on your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.